Listen, if you think Dollar Tree is just for party balloons and cheap snacks, think again. September is when the smart gardeners shop there. Because this is when they stock hidden gems that can completely change the way your garden grows, without you spending more than $1.25. And I promise, these aren't the usual seeds or gloves you've heard about 100 times before. Hey friends, welcome to Timeless Gardening. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. This is the place where we grow big gardens on small budgets. And for all my returning subscribers, you already know, you are the heartbeat of this channel. Before we dive into the list, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss the next round of budget-friendly garden secrets. And if you hear a tip today that you've never thought of before, drop an emoji in the comments so I know you're with me. Number 1. Cooling racks from the kitchen aisle. This one surprises almost everybody. Most folks see cooling racks at Dollar Tree and think, oh, that's just for cookies or cupcakes. But gardeners, smart gardeners, look at it differently. Cooling racks are perfect for saving and drying seeds. Here's why. When you scoop seeds out of tomatoes, peppers, melons, or even flowers, the last thing you want is for them to sit in a damp clump. If you spread them out on a paper towel, they stick, tear, and often end up with bits of paper glued to them. If you try a plate, moisture has nowhere to escape, and you risk mold. But with a cooling rack, air moves above and below your seeds, drying them evenly and cleanly. You don't need anything fancy. Just set the rack on your counter, or if you want to step it up, place it over a baking sheet to catch any drips. And suddenly you've got yourself a professional-looking seed drying station for just over $1. Try finding a seed drying tray at a garden supply store. It'll cost you 10 times the price. This is the kind of trick that turns one year's harvest into next year's garden, without spending a dime on new seeds. Number 2. Shower caddies from the bathroom aisle. When most people see those little wire or plastic shower caddies at Dollar Tree, they think bathroom storage. But gardeners, we see hanging organizers for tools and supplies. Here's how it works. Those caddies are lightweight, sturdy, and often come with hooks or suction cups. Instead of sticking them in the bathroom, hang one on your garden fence, the side of your shed, or even right on a porch railing. They're perfect for holding garden gloves, twine, hand pruners, or even packets of seeds you're actively using. Everything stays together, off the ground, and in easy reach. Want another idea? Line one with coconut fiber, burlap, or even an old Dollar Tree dish towel, and you've instantly turned it into a vertical planter. Herbs like basil, parsley, or thyme grow beautifully in those little compartments. And if you're short on space, this trick turns a plain fence or wall into a living, breathing herb station. The best part, if it gets beat up in the weather or rusts over time, no big deal. For $1.25 you can replace it without a second thought. Garden centers sell vertical organizers and specialty planters for $20 to $30 each. And yet, Dollar Tree's shower caddy does the job just as well. It's one of those items that once you try it, you'll never look at bathroom storage the same way again. Number 3. Plastic tablecloths from the party section. Now this one is sneaky because most people see those bright colored plastic tablecloths at Dollar Tree and think they're only for birthday parties and messy kids' crafts. But in the garden they become one of the most versatile tools you can buy for cheap. Here's why they're so useful. First, they make fantastic weed barriers. Cut one open, lay it down over a patch of soil, and pin it in place with a few rocks or Dollar Tree landscape staples. Suddenly, you've stopped weeds in their tracks, without buying expensive landscaping fabric. If you want to make it breathable, just poke small holes where you plan to plant. Second, they're a lifesaver for frost protection. September is when gardeners start thinking about those first chilly nights. Draping a plastic tablecloth over tender plants, like peppers or tomatoes, can buy you a little extra time before the season ends. It acts like a mini greenhouse cover, keeping warmth in and frost out. And here's a bonus use. If you're repotting, dividing perennials, or just mixing soil, spread a tablecloth on the ground. It catches the dirt, makes cleanup a breeze, and you can fold it up and reuse it again. No need for a tarp that costs 10 times more. Dollar Tree tablecloths aren't glamorous, but they're one of those secret hacks seasoned gardeners swear by once they've tried it. And the best part, You can grab them in bulk without feeling guilty about the price. Number 4. Over-the-door shoe organizers. Now here's one that'll make you stop and say, wait, Dollar Tree often carries those fabric or plastic over-the-door shoe organizers. The kind with little clear pockets meant for sneakers or sandals. But gardeners, we see something much smarter. A vertical seed starting system. Here's how it works. Hang that organizer on a sunny wall, the inside of a greenhouse, or even a sturdy fence. Fill the pockets with soil or slip small nursery pots into each one. Suddenly, you've got a vertical garden for lettuce, spinach, herbs, strawberries, or even flowers. The pockets keep everything tidy, and the clear ones let you see your plants growing from the side. Something you'll never get with regular containers. But that's not all. These organizers are also excellent for garden storage. Slide your hand tools, seed packets, twine, labels and gloves right into the pockets. You'll never lose your favorite pruners under a pile of soil bags again. Plus, since the pockets are separated, you can keep sharp tools away from delicate supplies. If you've ever priced out a vertical garden system online, you know they can cost $50 to $100. But at Dollar Tree, one organizer and a little imagination gets you the same result for a fraction of the price. It's one of those items that takes up almost no space, but gives you maximum impact, whether you're starting seeds, organizing your gear, or creating a wall of edible greens. So you see, something as ordinary as a shoe organizer can turn into either a vertical garden, or the most efficient storage system you've ever had. And that's what I love about Dollar Tree. Things you'd never expect suddenly become gardening gold. Now if that one surprised you, wait until you see the next find. It's something you probably have in your kitchen right now, but in September, it has a brand new purpose in the garden. Number 5. Mesh laundry bags. Most people buy these at Dollar Tree, to wash delicate clothes, or to carry laundry to the dorm. But in the garden, mesh laundry bags are a lifesaver, especially in September, when you're harvesting and storing. First, they're excellent for drying herbs and flowers. Gather bunches of basil, oregano, mint or even marigolds, drop them into a mesh bag, and hang it somewhere with good airflow. The mesh allows air to circulate all around, so things dry evenly without molding. It's like having a dehydrator without plugging anything in. Second, they're perfect for storing onions, garlic, and shallots. Instead of tossing them in a basket where they can rot from lack of airflow, keep them in these breathable bags. Hang the bag on a hook, and suddenly you've got a low-cost storage system that keeps your harvest fresher for much longer. And here's the sneaky bonus use. Mesh bags work great as protective covers for fruit or veggies still on the plant. Have birds nibbling your tomatoes, bugs chewing your cucumbers. Slip a mesh bag over the fruit, tie it loosely, and you've got an instant shield that still lets sunshine and airflow in. For a buck and some change, you're solving 3 common gardening problems: drying, storing, and protecting. That's the kind of versatility you usually pay premium prices for at specialty garden shops. But at Dollar Tree, it's right there in the laundry aisle. Number 6. Pencil cases from the school supplies aisle. At first glance, Dollar Tree pencil cases don't look like garden tools at all. But once you see how handy they are, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without them. The hard plastic ones with snap lids are perfect for storing seed packets. They keep everything dry, organized, and safe from mice or bugs that sometimes find their way into sheds or garages. No more half-crushed torn paper packets at the bottom of a drawer. Your seeds stay clean and ready for planting. The zipper fabric cases are excellent for small garden tools and supplies. Things like plant labels, twist ties, pruners, or even packets of fertilizer crystals fit neatly inside. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and since many come in bright colors, you won't lose them in the garden when you set them down in the grass. And here's a clever September use. Turn pencil cases into mini greenhouse kits. Slip in a damp paper towel, tuck in a few seeds, and zip it up. The clear or semi-clear cases create a little humidity chamber, perfect for testing seed viability or starting cuttings. It's basically a pocket-sized propagation station. Garden organizers online cost anywhere from $10 to $30, but at Dollar Tree, a simple pencil case does the job for a fraction of the price. It's proof that sometimes the best gardening tools aren't labeled as garden tools at all. Number 7. Plastic cutting boards from the kitchen section. When you see those thin flexible cutting boards at Dollar Tree, you probably think chopping vegetables. But gardeners see something else entirely. Reusable plant labels and garden shields. Cutting boards are easy to trim with scissors, which means you can cut them into strips of any size, and use them as heavy-duty plant tags. Unlike wooden sticks that rot or paper labels that disintegrate, these plastic strips hold up through rain, sun, and watering. Write on them with a permanent marker, and your labels won't fade away halfway through the season. They're also fantastic for making DIY soil scoops. Cut out a curved section, add a handle, and you've got a lightweight scoop for potting mix, compost, or fertilizer. Much sturdier than using paper cups, and way cheaper than store-bought scoops. Another overlooked use is as protective collars. If you've ever had cutworms chewing the stems of your seedlings, just cut the board into small rectangles, wrap one around the base of the plant, and press it slightly into the soil. Instant armor for your young plants. Garden centers sell plant tags and collars for ridiculous prices, but for $1.25, one cutting board can give you dozens of sturdy weatherproof tags and multiple protective shields. It's one of those hacks that pays for itself immediately. Number 8. Pool noodles from the seasonal aisle. When summer winds down, Dollar Tree often discounts pool noodles, and that's the best time for gardeners to grab them. They're more than just floaties. They're one of the most versatile garden helpers you can get for cheap. First, they make excellent stem protectors. If you're planting young trees or tomatoes with fragile stems, just cut a section of pool noodle, slice it down one side, and slip it around the stem. It cushions the plant from wind, harsh stakes, or even critters that like to nibble. Second, pool noodles are fantastic for DIY trellis padding. If you've got vines like cucumbers or beans climbing up wire fencing, sharp edges can cut or bruise the stems. Split a noodle, and wrap it around those edges, and suddenly you've got a soft surface that won't harm your plants. And here's a clever September trick. Use them as frost covers. Cut a noodle open, slip it over the edge of a sheet, or Dollar Tree tablecloth, and you've got a cushioned frame that won't tear your cover. It keeps plants warmer while protecting them from sharp edges. Lastly, they're great for gardeners themselves. Slip one over the rim of a wheelbarrow or raised bed, and you've got an instant cushion for leaning or kneeling. Your back and knees will thank you after a long day of harvesting. Who knew a dollar store pool toy could save plants, protect harvests, and even keep you more comfortable in the garden? Number 9. Dish drying mats from the kitchen section. At first glance, those soft foam dish drying mats at Dollar Tree look like they belong next to the sink, but in the garden they take on an entirely new role. One of the best uses is as knee pads. Gardening often means crouching down to pull weeds, plant seedlings, or harvest. Instead of buying expensive kneelers, grab a drying mat, fold it in half, and you've got a lightweight cushion pad that saves your knees from rocks and hard soil. They also work beautifully as insulation under pots. In September, as nighttime temperatures dip, setting a mat under your containers keeps roots a little warmer and protects delicate plants from sudden chill. It's a subtle trick, but it can make the difference between extending your harvest and losing plants early. And here's a creative twist. Cut them into smaller squares and use them as pot liners. Slip one at the bottom of a planter. Before adding soil, it helps hold in moisture, prevents soil from running out, and still allows water to drain. For drought-sensitive plants, this can be a lifesaver. Garden supply stores sell knee pads, insulation mats, and liners separately, often at $5 to $15 a piece. But at Dollar Tree, one dish drying mat can be cut, folded, or reused in multiple ways, all for a fraction of the cost. Alright, we've covered racks, caddies, pool noodles, even dish mats, and every single one has a hidden superpower in the garden. But here's the thing. I've been saving the best for last. Number 10 is the kind of Dollar Tree find most people walk past without a second glance, and yet when you bring it into the garden, it solves a problem that every gardener struggles with. In fact, it might just be the smartest dollar you'll spend this entire season. Number 10. Clear plastic shower curtains. This one might just be the most powerful gardening tool you'll ever find in a dollar store. And most people don't even realize it. Those clear shower curtains hanging in the bathroom aisle. They're basically budget greenhouse covers, waiting to happen. As September rolls in, the nights get cooler, and frost becomes a real threat. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on a greenhouse or plant tunnels, grab a couple of these curtains, drape them over hoops, stakes, or even old tomato cages, and you've built an instant frost cover that traps warmth and keeps your plants alive weeks longer. But it doesn't stop there. Lay one down under your garden work area, and you've got a soil-catching tarp for potting or transplanting. Rain in the forecast. Use it as a quick mulch cover to keep your beds from turning into mud pits. Need a little extra humidity for cuttings or seedlings? Wrap one loosely over a simple frame, and you've got a makeshift humidity dome. Garden centers sell greenhouse film, frost blankets, and soil tarps for anywhere from $20 to $100. But with Dollar Tree's clear shower curtains, you're solving all those problems for just $1.25 a piece. It's one of those things you buy once, and then you'll wonder why you didn't think of it sooner. And there you have it, 10 everyday Dollar Tree items that can make a big difference in your garden. Who knew something as simple as a cooling rack, a pool noodle, or even a shower curtain could turn into a gardener's best friend? I'd love to know, which of these tips surprised you the most? Or do you have a Dollar Tree garden hack of your own? Share it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. If you picked up even one new idea today, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next set of timeless gardening secrets. Until next time, keep your garden thriving, and your budget happy. I'll see you in the next video.